There, Neil, it's Thompson here again from Budget and Kilburn Cars in Manukau. Hey, cheers for inquiry on the Holden VF Commodore station wagon we have right here behind me. As I mentioned a bit later in the, here's a video for you showing the car in a bit more detail. Now, as you can see, it's got the 20-inch Advanti rims on it. All four corners do have brand new tyres and suspension as well. Now, we don't do any of that stuff ourselves. It's actually done by a company down the road, so it's all done very professionally. As you probably know, this is a very late model car, so it has things like dual zone climate control, Bluetooth for calls, music, the whole lot. What else have we got going on? I've got parking sensors, parking assist, electronic park brake. It's done under 70,000 Ks and is in really, really good nick. October. This is SV6 on the Evoque or an Omega. It's got the sensors on the back as well, and I'm guessing, yes, and a reversing camera. What else have we got on this car? One thing I do want to check out, I want to say it until I see it. Good. So this car also has remote start, as you probably already know as well. So you press the lock button, then you press and hold the recirculating button, and it starts the car, as you can hear there. What that means for you is in the middle of winter when it's pretty freaking icy and cold, it just means you can have the car set to a hot temperature when you leave the car the night before. Then in the next morning when you see the car, just press the lock button, press the start up button, and then by the time you get the car, it'll be nice and warm for you. Works the same in summer, obviously. Just set it to be super cold before you leave the car, and then it'll be cold for you in the morning. Any other questions there? Feel free to give us a call, text, or email. See you, bro.